to welcome all of you who are here with us, who've joined us this morning, the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, the top team, and of course the technical team that is here from the ministry, the district city leadership, the city leadership that is here, that comprises the members of parliament, and of course the district leadership of the different divisions. We also want, in a very special way, to appreciate our private sector partners, the different heads of various institutions and agencies that are present here, friends of Woodcross Resources, and of course our other invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. We want to welcome His Excellency the President, and we want to thank you for joining us. I want, as the very first point of action this afternoon, for all the invited guests to appreciate His Excellency the President for joining us this afternoon.
Your Excellency, Mama Janet, honorable ministers, honorable members of parliament, distinguished guests, welcome to the Woodcross Tin Refinery. I'm happy to walk you through a very brief overview of what we do here in this facility, where we create refined tin at a grade of 99.95%. But we need to first understand what is tin and why is tin important in order to really understand the significance of this project.
Now, when it comes to minerals, you can imagine if you do what they call the cassiterite or whatever they call it, it's just a mere rock, nibari. But for them, they know that there is tin there. But if you look at it, it's just ibari.
Tin is a silver-colored, anti-corrosive, malleable metal that is an excellent conductor of electricity. Anytime you want to drive an electric current over a small distance, you need tin. That includes devices such as smartphones, laptops, computers, TVs, batteries, automobiles. All of these devices require tin in them, and there's no substitute for tin in all of those applications.
It was a big war to introduce the dairy enterprise in the villages. So when it came to minerals, that's when we told them that we shall not allow you to export. And I banned all the exports of unprocessed minerals. Let the minerals stay in the ground. They have been there for millions of years. If the present leaders are stupid, they can't see how to do it. Let them stay there. When more intelligent people come, they will. I will not be part of the crime of stealing people's.
We first start with raw materials sourced from Ntungamo and Isingiro districts, what we call cassiterite. This material usually has about 65% tin content. We initially bring the material in 50 kg bags from the mine sites. We crush everything to a size of 2 millimeters, and then we run it through our electric arc furnace in order to produce crude tin. The electric arc furnace essentially deoxidizes the tin that we get in the natural environment in order to liberate the tin metal. We have to achieve a very high temperature in order to achieve that chemical reaction. Therefore, our furnace is able to achieve a temperature of 2000 degrees, but we usually run it at about a temperature of 1200 degrees. Following the crude tin liberation process, we then do some refining to take the material to a very, very high grade that is conformant with international standards. The material that comes out the furnace is usually about 99.4, 99.5% tin. The final steps remove those small basis points in order for us to get to 99.95%. It is very important for us to make sure that the product Uganda is exporting is of utmost premium quality. That's why we always try to leave a buffer with the minimum grade that we need to export. That minimum grade is 99.85%. We are exporting 99.95%.
Because of this processing, which is here, jobs are created here now. If the stones had been taken out in Canada or somewhere else, now these jobs are here. You cannot put a computer factory here. If you put a computer factory, you must import tin from China. And the tin in China is the one which came from Shaka. This is the one we are now going to Shaka. Now, because of that, the price has gone up. But now, this tin here, processed here, will be used directly.
As the Member of Parliament also mentioned, we are currently in search of some land in order to build a larger tin smelter. Our goal is to establish a Pan-African tin refinery, the leading tin refinery in East Africa that can process up to 10,000 tons of tin per annum. That would make Uganda the 4th largest exporter of refined tin. We are already in discussions with a number of regional companies that are willing to bring the raw materials to Uganda and to refine them. Other tin smelters in the region have not been successful because they haven't received the support that we have from the ministry and the government to establish our facility. With more support, we can establish Uganda as one of the global leaders in refined tin. Ability to be able to secure some land in order to build a custom tailored solution for a facility that size would be much appreciated.
I'm very happy to be here to witness another new victory in that war of liberating Africa from slavery.